video that was previously posted on how to grade in Inkscape. But this is totally different from what I have created at that time, and this is much more easier to work with. Most of the grading is done in inches, which is 1/8 of an inch. And I use centimeters, so I converted 1/8 of an inch to centimeters, which gives it 0.3175. And now that I got the piece pasted in place, I do the same. I go back to the x-axis and I put plus 0.3175, enter. I go to the y-axis and I do the same again, 0.3175, and I press enter, and then I press shift and I change the color of that, so I'll have a different color. Okay, this is what it would look like once I've graded. I graded 3 different sizes. It's not very visible because it's small on the screen. I will enlargen it and I will show you how the grading took place. As you can see, each sizes were graded, and you didn't have to worry about the dart. It automatically created a grade for the dart as well. Now I switch to the front panel piece. I do the same that I did for the back. I'll make a copy of the pattern block, the front bodice. I will lock it. Make sure you lock it so you don't make a mistake, and adjust that pattern. You lock it, and then you Control Alt and D to paste in place. It will create a new layer, and on that layer you can go to Shift and pick a color. You can change the color. I picked yellow. As you can see, it changed to yellow. And then I go to the x-axis again, plus 0.3175. And then you press enter. You go to the y-axis, plus 0.3175. Make sure you put the point, otherwise the size will go extremely large. And you press enter, and that is done for the other. So you go again and you copy and you lock the next layer, and Control Alt and D to paste in place. You go to Shift and you can pick another color. Now let me pick the blue. You changed it to blue. Go to the X, plus 0.3175, enter. And then I go to the Y, plus 0.3175, enter. And as you can see, it is all being graded. Now it's not very visible because the pattern is showing very small on the screen. Let me enlarge it and show you. And these are 3 sizes that were graded. You get all the different colors. Use your pattern, and you don't have to worry about the dart. If you notice, the dart got graded in the same instant. If I block this and I lock this, and leave it open, you can see that's the last size you got, and you can label it as your sizes there, which is 36, 38, and 40. Okay, and there's the 3 sizes, which is done. Okay, if you found this very interesting, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. I will post more content like this. I've got many tricks and something as I try to explore and experiment and try to recreate it in my own way.